everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we got another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete your TikTok account. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your TikTok app. Once the app is open, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon given. Now what you can do is you can be able to this three horizontal line menu option on your top right corner. Go ahead, tap on that option given, tap on this settings and privacy option below. So what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on your account option given. Now if you see below, you can see this deactivate or delete account option. Go ahead, tap on that one. Go ahead, tap on this delete account permanently option given right there, and now you gotta choose a reason why you are leaving the TikTok. If you got a particular one, go ahead, choose them from there. If you got another reason, go ahead, tap on that one, and I will choose any of the reason, or I'm leaving temporarily. Tap on continue option, and what you gotta do is you can simply go ahead, tap on that one, and now you gotta tap on this continue option where you can say download your data. Now you can see this, tap on this continue option, and now you gotta get the code, which gonna be, this is the verification code that we just got. Add that code. So once the code is right, I will get the select account light up right there in the red box. Go ahead, tap on that one, you're good to go. Your account is deleted. For me, I do not want to, so I'm not going to tap it right there. And yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.